Welcome to Chinnari Pathasala.
Hello kids. Are you ready to learn how to write numbers? Let's go. 0. Start at the top and draw a big circle. 1. A little line across the top, then a straight line down to the bottom. 2. Make a curve from the top, then a little straight line at the bottom. 3. 2 small curves stacked on top, like a snowman's tummy. 4. Start with a slanting line down, then draw a straight line across at the bottom of the slant. Finally, add a straight line down from the top to meet the cross line. 5. Start with a standing line down, then make a curve to the left, and a small line across the top. 6. Start at the top, make a curve going down, and form a circle at the bottom. 7. A straight line across, then a slanted line going down. 8. Draw one small circle, then another one on top. 9. Start with a small circle at the top, then draw a straight line down with a little curve at the bottom, like a balloon on a string. 10. Write 1 and then a big circle for 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, bye. And